a cartoon movie menu, and you can choose whatever you want. What about Frozen? Elsa or Anna Banana? Elsa? And what about your sister? She's Elsa or Anna? She's Anna? She's Anna? High five. Nice. This is a mirror with a nice flavor that checks your teeth. I have a pink flavor with strawberry, an orange flavor with orange juice, and a green flavor with watermelon. Which one do you want? Nice. Okay, so you know what I'm gonna do now? I'm gonna check your teeth. Can you open big? Wow. Okay, look. Oh. Wow, which one is the boo-boo? Which one has the boo-boo? This one or this one? This one? Okay, let me check it out. Wow. What beautiful teeth you got there. Such beautiful teeth. Can I get a high five? So this is the camera. Who's this cutie pie? That's you. Now say the magic word. Abra. Oh, you're pink. She's rings. Okay, so now open big. I'm gonna show you how your teeth look like. Okay, Mama? Open big. You see any black monster? No. Okay, let's look for the yellow monster. You see the yellow monster? Little bit.